We're making chicken curry today. So, what's the ingredients?
Freddie's in charge today. We're making chicken curry 4 days in a row. Mainly because Alfie keeps asking for chicken curry every day. Mind your fingers. We prefer no blood in the potatoes. So Freddie's chopping some potatoes. They don't like anything in it. They don't like vegetables because vegetables
I will have no. I'll eat corn.
Okay, he'll eat corn. But we're just going to make plain curry. Okay. With onion and potato.
One-handed.
No. We're not cutting potatoes one-handed. It's not very sensible. I'll chop some onion.
Mind your eyes.
Oh, I'm going to cry.
Teamwork.
It's always better to work in a pair.
Yeah, I like those.
Oh, we should make chocolate trifle. Yum, yum, yum. That would be something that everybody would want. They'd all be coming and knocking on the door saying, give me some trifle.
Yeah.
What?
These all need to be cut.
Yep.
All of them.
But we've got to make enough curry for it to last. I'm not cooking it again tomorrow. Because all I do is cook curry.
Well, curry's really nice. Especially your one. Make sure you don't get the Gordon Ramsay. Gordon Ramsay?
No, it's just...
Is it Gordon Ramsay or I don't know who it is.
Pardon?
Is it who is that TV show? Gordon Ramsay?
Yeah. Is that your name?
Yeah. The potato cutter. I like cutting potato.
Sorry.
Nearly tripped.
Who needs home learning when you've got this?
I know, right? Food tech. Where's our cooking hat thing?
I'm going to burn the chicken in a minute. Oh, I can't. I've got too much hair.
There we go. We've got to get all of these potatoes out. Take the rubbish.
What are they?
Oh, potatoes on the run.
They're potatoes.
They're potatoes.
They're not potatoes.
They are potatoes.
No, they're not. Talk properly.
Talk properly. Yeah, alright. Oh, potatoes.
Come on, Chef Ramsay.
Bam! Now I just do this.
You're doing well there, Freddie. You've still got all your fingers.
What's that?
Okay.
Fine.
Wow, look at that. Didn't he do an amazing job? Give him a round of applause. Chicken's not cute.
Learn something new every day.
Yeah, as I said,
Home learning.
home learning. Much more beneficial than schoolwork. At least I know he won't starve.
Can I put my potatoes in?
What are they?
The potatoes.
Thank you. Can you repeat that?
Potatoes.
Potatoes. Jackie.
Potatoes. Who was that, Mr. Atkins?
Mr. Atkins at primary school.
Year 4.
Oh, he was nice, wasn't he?
Yeah.
Don't put your fingers too close to the cooker, otherwise you'll end up setting yourself on fire. Right, water. Blah, blah, blah.
It smells really nice.
Oh, I quite like this apron.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. Just put your fingers in it. Just pull it out with your fingers. Secret ingredient, tomato sauce. Believe it or not. Give it some welly, Freddie. Welly, welly, welly.
Oh, I think the lid came off. It definitely came off.
What are you doing? You're turning it the wrong way. It didn't go in there, did it?
Don't know. Did it?
You're a pain in the neck. Look!
Oh my god.
I only wanted you to turn the bottom.
That's very salty.
Why are you eating rock salt?
He's not bad, you know. You know what could I do?
No.
We could switch around this with the hot chocolate. Hot chocolate
No,
powder.
we're not going to swap it for the hot chocolate powder because Chelsea will go and get hot chocolate and end up drinking curry powder.
We should be called the curry makers. Sorry, is that Coronation Street?
No, it's Thomas Henry.
Say we're in a restaurant now.
But we're not in a restaurant. We're in our kitchen.
What's French saying hello?
Bonjour.
Bonjour and adios. No, that's
Spanish. And that's Dora the Explorer.
Do I have elf ears? I have elf ears.
Oh no, we can put a push down a bit further. Look. Look at the ears. Oh, Daddy look cute. The head chef.
Well,
you're
my crook.
You're the floppy-eared chef. Don't flick it. Stop. No, it's soup. Did you want curry soup?
No.
It's fine, we'll just leave it to boil away. It'll be fine!
Happy vibes!
It just drowns the curry. Right, that's now got to cook for about 3/4 of an hour, maybe an hour, depending on how long it takes for the water to disappear, because it's now rather full up. You might come back later and do another video when it's cooked. Okay, see you later. Bye.
Bye!